Hey, it's Mike from AutomationEngage.com, and in this video we're going to give you an example of automation reports by Activecampaign. Now, I have been critical of Activecampaign's reports in the past, but they are slowly getting better. So in particular, automation reports, they work amazing with goal-based automations, which I've talked about in previous videos, and they allow you to measure the effectiveness of a particular automation. The other thing that's really good is there's a good mix of both granular detail and the big picture when you're checking out your automation. So let's just jump right in so you can see what one of these reports looks like. Okay, so this is a coaching renewal offer that's been delivered by an automation, and it's a nice little touch that they added in the first few steps of the automation. Obviously, if you have a really big automation, you're not going to see everything here, but it's kind of nice just to see the basics. You know, there's no start trigger, there's a 5-minute wait, email 1 is sent, another wait, email 2, and then you get the actual email broken down here. You can see, you know, this is where it's important that you have a very standardized process for naming your emails: offer 1, offer 2, offer 3, and there's a welcome email. Since this is a goal-based automation, the goal is for someone to purchase, and once they purchase, they're taken off future emails. So you can see that the amount of emails sent is decreasing, which is a good sign. That means people are dropping off because they've already bought. And in terms of granular detail, if you hover over opens, you can see the exact open rate. You can see the number of people out of the automation who opened it. Same with the clicks, you just have to hover over that. And then if you scroll down, this is really handy as well. There's a summary, so it shows you the total number of people in the automation, the percentage who have completed. If you hover over it, then you can actually see how many out of 24. So this is effectively your conversion rate if you create a goal-based automation like this, which is just tracking the number of people who have purchased. And again, you can see the total emails sent and all that good stuff and clicks. So automation reports are really great because you can see easily at a glance how your emails are performing. You can decide if you want to do a split test. You could try throwing in some more emails, or maybe putting in a limited time offer and seeing if you can increase your overall conversion rate of people taking you up on your goal. So that is an example of an automation report that you can find inside of Activecampaign. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.